In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export and import passwords from and to Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, find the section called Autofill and Passwords and click it. Next, select Google Password Manager. Here you can review saved accounts, update details, and adjust password-related settings. Once you are in Google Password Manager, click Settings from the menu on the left side. On some versions of Chrome, this may appear as a gear icon instead. Both options take you to the same password settings area, so use whichever one is visible on your screen. In the settings area, look for the option labeled Export Passwords. Next to it, click Download File. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity using your computer password or another security method. After verification, Chrome will create a file containing your saved passwords and download it to your computer. Be careful with this file because it can be read by anyone who has access to it. If your goal is to import passwords later, this exported file is typically the one you would use during the import process in a supported browser or password manager. Just make sure you keep it protected at all times. That covers everything you need to know.